All right, we're gonna take a little ride here in a little British sports car. Not the fastest things in the world, but they sure are a lot of fun. Faster than a Volkswagen, feels like. It's a 1979 MGB Roadster. And this is a one owner. Local guy bought it brand new, and every service record, the original little pink slip, little title. It has the original wheels are just refinished. He painted it in 2012. Paint still looks great, but stayed with the stock color. It's got a heritage certificate. I got the original window sticker. Super nice man. Can't drive anymore, so he wanted to go to somebody good. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna find somebody for this nice little car. He was a member of the MG Club. This has the tonneau cover. It's got the boot cover. He refinished the wheels. It's got the original AM/FM cassette radio in there. He did say the cassette doesn't work anymore, but it's still there. Got the factory Smith's gauges. All the smog equipment in the state of California, it's a good litmus test. If a car passes smog, especially an old car, then there ain't nothing wrong with it mechanically. This engine runs really well. Still got the original carburetor on it. Automatic choke. It shifts good, synchros are good. Gave us a few extra parts to go with it too. Some service parts like oil filter, things like that. We took really good care of this car. It's finished in Brooklands green. Kind of like a British racing green. Great color for these though. The tan interior. The only thing we're going to take a look at is got a little squeaky steering wheel. He said it's done that forever. If you look on some of the forums, they do it. So I think we're going to be able to figure it out though. But it steers great, stops great. It's got disc brakes up front. Really clean little car. Nice straight body, zero rust. And they're kind of known for rusting, but when they're purchased in Southern California and never left, even has the original blue license plates on it, personalized plates. They come with it if you're in California. But we're gonna go around the corner here and take some more pictures and more video for you so you can get a better look at it. All right, we're gonna walk around this beautiful little one-owner California car, 1979 MGB Roadster. Finished Brooklands green. To me, it's the best color for this car. Previous owner said this might be the last green one they made in 1979 because of the serial numbers. It's possible. Kind of neat little tidbit. But those are the original blue license plates. He had personal ones made. One AOK MGB. If you live in California, he said they can go with the car. So that's cool. That's where it was purchased. Torrance, Whittlesey, MG. I think it was a Jaguar dealership actually. Something like that. It's got the original steel wheels. They've been refinished. It's got disc brakes up front. All the trim and the chrome, the stainless is really nice. It's got a added front spoiler from the special edition model, which is kind of cool. I think it adds to the front of the car because this is the year they had the impact bumpers, the rubber bumpers, and these bumpers are amazing. They're usually all dried out, crispy, gouges out of them. But this guy was a member of the MG Club. He babied this car, loved it. Would have never sold it if he wasn't in the position where he can't drive anymore. Would have kept it. But it's got the triple wipers, just like the old Jags did. Factory AM/FM cassette player in there. Original interior. I don't think this interior's been redone. I don't believe he said it was. Like I said, I have every service record. It's 1.5 inches thick of all the services and oil changes and clutches, and it's had a few tops. Showed you a picture of the top earlier. The top is like brand new. Also has a complete tonneau that covers the interior up. So those little snap things there for. There's the VIN number. It's got a heritage certificate, original window sticker, everything. Just a beautiful little car. Not a lot of money for a classic car to cruise around in. Like I said earlier, it passed smog with flying colors, which is amazing for some of these early cars. Here's the power plant in the 1979 MGB. Look at this thing, completely original. Engine compartment is untouched. It's a 1.8 liter. It's got 99,000 miles on it. always been serviced, taken care of. There's your little smog pump. Like I said earlier, it's a good litmus test that if these things pass emissions in California, there's nothing wrong with the motor. It runs really good, doesn't smoke, it's got plenty of power. Carburetor works perfect. Everything works great. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice smooth little runner. It's backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the front disc brakes. It's a nice little driver. It's got a brand new stainless resonator on it too. That was done recently. Sounds good. Neat little car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, or if you want us to ship it, put it on a boat, on a truck, get it to you. Lots of options and an affordable, fun little sports car. Thanks for watching.